Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the control settings on the Brawlhalla game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Brawlhalla game on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, if you wish to customize your control settings, then just click on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open up the options menu. From here, click on controls, and now you will see all of the controls that are assigned to your game. If you have connected your joystick, you will also see the joystick option within your devices. After choosing whichever control you wish to customize, go ahead and click on Change Controls. This will now show you all of the buttons that have been assigned to your game. In order to make changes, you can just click on the already assigned button, and when you are prompted to enter the key, just press the new key that you wish to assign. You can also assign multiple buttons for the same task. Just click on the blank area, and when prompted, press the key that you wish to assign. By following this step, you can assign all of your desired key and customize them. Finally, click on the Apply button to apply your changes. And now you can close this menu and your settings will have been applied. And now you can start playing the game with your customized controls right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize the control settings on the Brawlhalla game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.